As founder and creator of multiple technology companies over the years, I have needed real-time sensor monitoring and tracking over and over again for different applications. None of the traditional systems were easy enough to deploy quickly. For my video surveillance company, we wanted to monitor rack temperatures in all of the remote data centers. I looked for something simple and easy, but couldn't find a solution anywhere. As you all know, cybersecurity has become crucial for IoT devices. I found that most of the sensor systems offering remote access didn't offer adequate security. Some didn't offer any security. I decided to create a solution that I've desired for so many years. Sam and I founded Swift Sensors to build a sensor system that offers all the advantages of cloud and wireless technology, but in a unified, globally scalable system. Now our customers can get notifications of potential issues before they become problems. Swift Sensors is 100% cloud managed and it's easily configured in a browser-based dashboard. The unified system can be used across multiple processes, sensor types, and locations to ensure a consistent and robust solution regardless of where your users are located.
Swift Sensors brings the ease of deployment, high-level security, and global scalability of cloud technology to the physical world with our wireless sensor system.
One of our industrial and food chain customers has deployed hundreds of Swift sensors in many different locations. They monitor everything from temperature of vinegar used in mayonnaise production to the vibration of the compressors used to chill their products. They were able to deploy their first sensors in a matter of minutes and see benefits immediately.
Swift Sensors offers real value in so many commercial applications for industrial IoT. Transportation, research and development, data centers, food chains, restaurants. So we've built a comprehensive cloud wireless sensor system that can be deployed and configured in minutes at 1/10 of the cost of traditional systems.
Swift Sensors is meeting sensor and monitoring needs more securely, more simply, and more cost effectively than ever before.